Hello again, welcome to Amazing Background. This is Camelia, and today I want to show you the beautiful area of Istanbul. First of all, I want to thank you for choosing my videos, and it's my pleasure to support me by subscribing and setting the bell to get the notifications. This area is Balat. Balat is located in Fateh neighborhood. The neighborhood is very lovely. The colorful houses, cute bars and cafes, colorful stairs. Balat is one of the old neighborhoods of Istanbul, in the European part of Istanbul. This is a historic neighborhood and a nice area for strolling around the narrow streets. There are many antique shops and cafes, tea houses, and great atmosphere. Balat first became home to a large Jewish population in the late 15th century, when Sultan Bayezid II offered citizenship to Jewish and Muslim Jews fleeing the Inquisition in Spain and Africa, and the 1492 Alhambra Decree. Balat was also home to a wide variety of ethnicities, cultures, and religions. The famous Bulgarian Iron Church is located in the district, and there was traditionally a sizable Armenian population too. Here is a really wonderful area to hang out in. Very elaborate neighborhood, really beautiful and colorful, rich in history and filled with antique shops, cozy cafes, and historic attractions. Highly recommended visiting this area wherever you're in Istanbul. But don't just come for Instagram photographs like everyone was doing. There is so much history here. Hope you enjoy watching this video. It's my pleasure to support me by subscribing and setting the bell to get the notifications. And it makes me happy if you comment me if you've been there, what was your experience.